Jay Will back with another video. Let's get it. In this video, we have a Digistore. I picked out a product already. It's called Cortexi. It's a Tennessee product. It's for people with ear ringing. What we're gonna do, we're gonna set up a quick campaign. First, I'm gonna show you guys the website we're gonna use. This is the website we're gonna use. It's gonna take us to Cortexi. Let's get it. Set this campaign up. New campaign. Visit to my website. So we're gonna do $20 a day. Genesis Relief Cortexi. I'm gonna do about 4 countries: United States, Australia, United Kingdom, Canada. Alright, we good. Uncheck this. Save and go to next. Okay, we need to do some keywords. Do ear ringing relief. They do have a set of keywords on their page. Down here you can download as well. Keywords right here. You can download this, which I already have it downloaded. So we're gonna highlight these keywords. Let's go. We're gonna use all these keywords. Exact and phrase match. Make keyword list. Add that up in here. Relief. We're gonna use one ad group. All right. So create these ads. Let's see. Do ear ringing relief. Pin this to 1, pin this to 2, pin this to 3. Ear ringing relief. What else can we do? 60-second ritual. Watch secret video. Do something like this for description. Ear ringing relief. Watch this 60. Watch this secret video. Hidden knowledge revealed. There we go. Put our website up in there. Okay. This campaign is nothing but $20 a day, so we're gonna run it for about 5 days just to gather a lot of information. Okay, we're gonna do this query string. device, add ID, save. Copy this ad. What can we do next? We can pick one of these. Stop tendencies naturally. I put that up in there. You can see the ideas from the keywords. Let me see. Earring and remedy. We can do. Let me see. How to stop earringing. We do tendencies. Instant relief. Oh, that's maximum. Okay, we can't make that one. So what we can do 4. That's all right. So we come down here. Let's go to the next step. What? Please remove duplicate ads. Oh. Okay. So we can do 3, I guess. Okay, we gonna do maximize clicks. We're gonna be at about. We're gonna start off at 25 cents a click. We're gonna be doing $20 a day. Actually, we're gonna do it 20 cents a click. $20 a day. Should be about 100 clicks a day if we can get the right amount of traffic. Add distribution. I'm gonna save. Okay. Now we need to go back and do some edits. So looking at this, it's a 40% women, 60% men on a gender, desktop 30%, mobile 65%. So we're gonna go and adjust our campaign towards what they're telling us. So demographics. We can leave the demographics there. Actually, where is that? We can go to where's the devices? Go to devices. Come on, where you at? Where you at? Right here. So tablet, we're gonna decrease that by 90%. We can keep computer and so desktop 30%, mobile 65, only 5% on the tablet. So we can decrease the tablet. We're gonna keep everything else the same. I got gender. Oh, okay, 40 between 85. Okay, we're gonna raise the gender up to 40. Let's save this. Go to demographics and raise it to 40. Age. I don't know, my computer's running so slow. Okay, there we go. We can decrease this by 90%. Come on. My computer moving slow today. Okay. Reduce this by 90. Got the keywords in there. What else we need? Okay, and just to do not shipping country, so we didn't do New Zealand this time. As you can see, can't ship to that country, so I didn't put them in there. Yeah, and everything else good. So quick campaign setup. We're gonna run this campaign for 5 days and see how it goes. And then meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment, follow me on Instagram at JWillTV, and we out.